Limited was established in 2008, the registered capital of 5 million yuan. The company is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of the woodworking machines. It has built a CNC machine workshop, complete production equipment, and its own testing and packing center. The company located in beautiful coastal city Qingdao with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, their experienced staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, the company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including CNC beam saw, CNC four-sides door cutting machine, precision panel saw, CNC router, edge banding machine, wood sanding machine, drilling machine, thicknesser and planer. In addition, the company has obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, the products are also exported to clients in Russia, Ukraine, the Middle East, South Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, Central Europe, and other countries and regions. All products welcome OEM and ODM orders. As a fast-growing enterprise, Sosin have the whole world in view and try to be better and better. The company working hard to provide their customers more perfect machines with technician support and after-sale service. Competitive price, good quality, and regular supply are the main points what they can promise to the customers. Win-win with customers at home and abroad.
Welcome to Sosin!